2, we're going to find the area of a triangle right here. This is going to be a new formula, one you have not used before, but it's going to use half in it, just like half the base times the height, only we're using trig to represent that. So here we go. First thing is we look at our triangle, and we're going to label across from the angle the corresponding letter for each side length. So capital A across is little a, and capital C across is little c. Now what you're going to use this area formula for is to have in mind an SAS triangle. So let's talk about what an SAS triangle is. If you have an A and a B, C is the included angle right there. So when you have a side and another side, and those two sides make the angle, that's an included angle. When you have that SAS, this formula is handy to use to find the area. And that's what we're going to use. There are 3 ways to represent it. If you're looking at it from the vantage point of angle C, half A times B times sine C. If you're looking at it from the vantage point of angle B, it's half AC times the sine of B. And if you're looking at it from the vantage point of angle A, it's half BC times the sine of angle A. Again, look at angle A. These two sides make angle A. That's why you're using those two sides in your formula. Okay, let's go use an example of this. And here we go. We have A is 41, C is 28, and angle B is 39. So if I draw a triangle, A, B, C, this is 39 degrees, little a is 41, and little c is 28. So there's my side angle side. And now I'm going to say the area is half 41 times 28 times the sine of 39 degrees. All you have to do is press this directly in your calculator. You could use 0.5 if you don't want to divide the answer by 2 at the end. So 0.5 times 41 times 28 times sine 39, and you end up getting 361.33 or 33 hundredths units squared. Very straightforward. Okay? So now we're going to use this in an application situation. We're going to say in example 6, let's say you have a triangular piece of land and the angle created is 110 degrees, and you have a side that's 510 yards and another side that's 840 yards. And you want to go find out how much does this land cost. It's $2,000 per acre. So the first thing you have to start with is, well, how big is the piece of land? So we're going to find the area. That would be 1/2 times 510 times 840 times the sine of 110 degrees. You're going to go punch that in your calculator, and you will get 2001 282 yards squared. However, I'm not sure that you knew this, but an acre is 4,840 square yards. So when you divide this 201,282 by 4,840, you end up with the following number, 41.6 acres. I pressed this in the calculator ahead of time so my video wouldn't be so long. You're going to take 41.6 acres if it's $2,000 per acre, and what are you going to do? You're going to multiply 2,000 times 41.6. And our land cost $83,174. Bazinga.
Bazinga!